glider weighs, and with about half as much wing as a typical glider has. This is the Energy Management Series of the Interstate Cadet. And Ryan Smith, our hot pit crew chief, is now walking out onto the runway, and he's going to do something very special in just a few minutes as Kent Pietsch continues to do the loops and rolls in the Interstate Cadet. Brought to you by Jelly Belly Candy Company from Fairfield, California. The gourmet jelly beans that have a taste like no other jelly beans in the world. I'm going to fade the music out. I want you to listen to the sound of the wind rushing through the struts and over the control surfaces of the Jelly Belly airplane. Now from 6,000 feet, listen. He's gonna land. You see that propeller dead still in the air, just a little windmilling. He's gonna land, and he is going to attempt to have enough energy from that more than a mile high engine cutoff altitude to land and stop, putting his hand. Go ahead, Ryan, put your hand up there, buddy. That's about right. He's not peeking. Watch as Kent Pietsch lands on the taxiway. Let's see if he's got enough energy to get it stopped. He did it! Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Kent Pietsch and the Interstate Cadet, brought to you by Jelly Belly Candy Company. His third flight of the day, perfect execution on everything. Congratulations, Kent Pietsch, you done good, my friend. Absolutely awesome.